I mean, it comes down to realization. Like we have to set real expectations. It's not the best thing to do, but I think in the beginning, which can be a little bit of contradiction, is start big, dream really big, think about what you really want to accomplish. And I think that in a way, when you're designing those spaces, think big and then you start narrowing it down. And I think that in reality, most of us can't accomplish every single thing that we want. And there is something though that you'll get out of that in the end. And I think it's by creating phases. Just know that if you'll phase through things, accomplish those big wins, it's something that you can try and get the room of your dreams. Also, like lean on your friends, lean on your family. There's probably someone out there who has a skill, whether it's painting, maybe they can help you lay new wood floors or sand them, whatever it might be that you're trying to achieve. There's a lot of times that we can lean on someone else, and that line item might be a pretty decent budget amount that you could remove from your overall budget.